I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is LearnDash. Select a task and select a course. Click Next. Now here search and select Mailify. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for account ID and API key, please visit Mailify API token. Click on your profile from top right corner. Click on Setting. Then click Developers. Then click Add an API key. Here, give a meaningful name as you want. Copy account number and key and paste it on authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Select List. Now map the fields. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Mailify. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your course page and click Login to enroll. Now click the Take this course to enroll in the course. The course has been successfully enrolled. Now let's go to the Mailify. Here is the data that came into Mailify through the integration. Thanks for watching.